Hi guys, so today we've just taken delivery of the new Tentbox Classic 2. What we're going to do is a short video on the unboxing and also go over a few of the accessories with it. We've got a few of the security devices here, such as security nuts and an alarm system. We've also got the Tentbox kitchen, the new tunnel awning for the Classic 2 and the Tentbox boot bag, which we'll go through in detail in a future video. And also, just for good measure, a Winterwell fire pit. Not sponsored by any of these products, they're just products that I really enjoy and I'm going to show them all to you. Inside the fixing kit you have all of the brackets and the bolts and nuts required, and also a small ratchet spanner to tighten all the bolts up on the car. Next we're going to lift it on and then tighten up the bolts. If you struggle to do it in one lift, what you can do is get some wheelie bins or a box and lift it so it's about halfway up, readjust and then lift it the rest of the way. As you can see, we managed to do it in one and then we just adjusted it until it was central, and then we're going to move on to putting on the bolts. So we'll do all 8 of them and we'll do them all up together. A little bit fiddly, but got these rails, it's fine. The last step to do on the installation is to add these end caps onto the end of the rails. They just require a small bit of force to click into place. Now that our Tentbox is fully installed, we're going to open it up, use the ladder and show you what is inside with the welcome kit and the new light bar. So again, we undo all of the straps in the corners. We give it a little push. We head over to the other side and do the same. And once we've done the last strap, you just give this end a push. The gas struts will do all of the work. And then you can start to pull down the skirt. So in with the Tentbox, on the inside is a nice bag which has the ladder inside. So on either side of the Tentbox there is 2 places to connect your ladder. All you do is pull out the pin, and then once your hole is lined up you can then release the pin and it will connect the ladder into place. The ladder has these sloped steps so it's comfortable on your feet. Inside the Tentbox, behind or under the mattress, there is the porch poles in a nice carry bag. To make the door into a porch, you unzip fully, insert the pole into the hole under the flap. They do go at a bit of an angle. It's a bit fiddly the first time you do it because everything's still a bit stiff. But then you can open up the inner doors As you can see inside, there is a cross section of bungee. This is so that you can use this, and when you're closing the tent, it will keep the fabric pulled in to stop any excess on the sides. So let's have a look and see what is inside the welcome pack for the Tentbox Classic 2. You get some fairy lights, which can be used all year round with batteries. You get 2 bamboo toothbrushes and a Tentbox lanyard and some earplugs. So inside you also get a camping light. So it's got a hook on the end. It's also got magnets so you can use it on your car. Okay, so that was the unboxing and installation of the Tentbox Classic 2. In a future video, we're going to do a full review, so we'll show you inside and go over some of the accessories that came with it, as well as some of the other accessories available on the Tentbox website. Thank you all for watching, and follow for more.